gonna light your truck on fire.
Yeah. Poo Boo?
No, dude, right in my ear.
I'm sorry.
While I'm welding on this truck, he does it.